Ngaphambi kwesikhumbuzo seminyaka engamashumi amathathu yokukhululwa eluvalelweni kwayesakuba ngumongameli weli ubawo uNelson Mandela, umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa umemelele ihlabathi ukuba lingene ezihlangwini zakhe ngokuphakamisa uxolo nokupheliswa kongquzulwano. Umongameli Ramaphosa ubezimase umsitho wokwamkela oonozakuzaku abatsha ePitoli namhlanje.
Lawa ke ngamanxusa amasha avela emazweni ayi-11 alapha ukuzoqhubeka ukusebenzisana phakathi kwamazwe awo kanye neNingizimu Afrika. Njengoba ke umnotho kuleli untengantenga, umongameli unxusa ukusebenzisana.
We invite you, Your Excellencies, as representatives of your respective countries, to join our country, South Africa, on the journey of cooperation for economic growth, shared prosperity, peace, and collective security.
Njengoba ke kuzogujumeka ke ngamashumi amathathu uMadiba akhululwa ejele, unxusa ukuthula emazweni omhlaba ukumhlonipha.
Like Nelson Mandela, we must become soldiers of peace and always strive for the peaceful resolution of any conflict. We must focus our efforts on conflict prevention.
Phakathi kwalamazwe bekhona nezwe laseMelika nelisikhondla emnothweni womhlaba jikelele, liphinde libe ngelesithathu ngobukhulu ukwabelana neNingizimu Afrika.
I have a mandate from the President to greatly increase our already good relationship with South Africa, primarily in trade, but also in many other avenues.
Kanti ke kube khona namazwe okumeseka umongameli njengoba ke ezogcotshwa njengohlalo we-AU ngenyanga ezayo.
We expect a lot from South Africa, and we've been supporting the chairmanship of His Excellency the President here, and we will support him. We'll give him more support.
Lo hlale ke uzongena na usethembise ukuthuthukisa ukwabelana kanye nokuthulisa isibhamu ezwenikazi lase-Afrika. Ngingumanqoba mchunu wezindaba ze-SABC ePitoli.